Good morning, everyone. Today is March 4th, 2018, and it's time to let our birds out. Let's see. You guys ready to get out? Hear the ducks going. We will be building a new coop, so update for that within the month. They're already sliding out before the door's open. Good morning! There's our big rooster. Come on, Richard. There's Kana. She's an Americana. Black sex link. I'm not positive what she is.
She's tiny.
She's tiny.
We'll come out right there.
Let's see how many eggs we have so far.
Get your butt out of here.
We've got 2. Fairly warm.
That's Big Red.
This is Big Red. She does not like to be bothered. I'm not going to bother her. These are our babies. That's our baby rooster. One of them. His name's Roosty. Hi, little Roost. And this is little Richard. His dad was the first rooster we've seen. And these are the babies. These are our babies that we hatched.
The black one lays all of eggs.
And this black one right here, with the collar head, hiding, she lays all of eggs. And we have a hen down here, a red hen. Let me see what you got, pretty girl. Good girl. Let me see.
Good girl.
Good girl. It's 2. That's a good red. Good red, yeah. So we've got 4 so far. Let them get started. Everybody have a great day.